Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a paid Telegram channel. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone and click on the pencil-like icon and create a new channel. Enter the channel name, in my case. After naming and writing a short description, click on the check mark on the top right. Set the channel to private and click on the check mark on the right again. Once your channel is created, click on your channel and go to Channel Settings. Scroll down and go to Invite Links and go to Create a New Link. As you can see, Require Monthly Fee has appeared. Toggle this on and you can set amount per month. In my case, I'll just go around 400 star per month, which is roughly $5 per month. You can also limit the time period by hour, day, week, or set it to no limit. Once done, click on Create, and that's it. You have successfully created a paid Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.